Lost some precious photos on your iPhone? Well, don't worry. Hello guys, welcome back to the channel GetAssist, and today in this video I will be showing you step by step how you can recover your deleted photos on your iPhone. Alright, first up, check the recently deleted album. This works as a photo recovery safety net for you, and here's how you do it. Open the Photos app and then scroll down to Utilities and then tap on Recently Deleted. You will see all the photos deleted in the last 30 days. If your photo is here, just tap on Recover. Easy, right? But don't worry if it didn't work out for you. There are some more tricks that are going to help you. So let's hop on to the second method, that is your iCloud. So if your iCloud is enabled, your photos might be chilling out there. So let's see how to do it. Go to Settings on your iPhone, tap your name and then go to iCloud. Click on iCloud Backup and then click on Device Backup. Check if the photo library option is toggled on. If it is, head to iCloud.com on your browser, log in and check your photos there. You will be surprised how it works, but still if it's not working for you, there are some more tricks. So let's see what are those. Open the Settings app, navigate to General, then click on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap on Erase all content and settings to reset your iPhone. Next, follow the on-screen instructions till you reach the point Apps and Data screen. Then select Restore from iCloud Backup, sign in with your Apple ID and tap Choose Backup. Select the most recent backup that likely contains your deleted photo. Wait for the process to finish and do check whether you have recovered your deleted photos or not. Remember, you are going to recover those photos only if your iCloud backup is enabled and up to date. Another method that you can try out to restore your deleted photos is your iTunes or Finder. So let's see how it works. Remember, it only works if your iPhone is backed up recently. So just hold on your phone and connect your iPhone to the computer. After that, open iTunes or Finder on a Mac. Select your device and then choose Restore Backup. Choose a backup that may contain your lost photos and then click on Restore. After that, just heads up, this method is going to restore your iPhone to a state of the last backup. If none of these work, don't worry. There are some third-party apps that are designed for this situation, such as EaseUS MobiSaver, Dr.Fone or Disk Drill. So let's see how this works. First of all, connect your iPhone to your computer and launch EaseUS MobiSaver. After that, on the left menu, select Recover from iOS device and click Start. Next, EaseUS MobiSaver will scan your iPhone for lost and existing photos. Once the scan is complete, click upon the photos in the left panel. There you will see a preview of all the recoverable images. So select the images that you want to recover and then click on Recover to PC or Recover to the device. And there you have it, multiple methods to recover your photos into your iPhone. I hope some or the other method is going to help you out. So if you found this video helpful, do like, share and subscribe, and do comments in the comment section which method worked out for you. And I will see you in the next one.